Welcome to this video on the initial configuration of the Filr search appliance. Go into a browser and hit your Filr search appliance on port 9443. This is an HTTPS request, so it's just start with https:// the host name of your Filr search appliance. In my case it's going to be Filr search 1.demo.live and then :9443. Initially you're going to be prompted with a security warning. This is because we ship with self-minted certificates. Just bypass that warning. And then log in as VA admin and the password that you set when you configured the box on first boot. So there are two things we really need to do here. One is to configure the Filr index and also to patch this up to the latest version of Filr. So let's just go into the configuration down here and we get prompted, is this a new appliance? In this case we're a new appliance. We get prompted for a password, so just click in the password box and type in password. Remember this password because you will need it for when you configure additional appliances, and also when you configure the Filr web appliance to point to these appliances. Click on finish and then just wait a few moments for that to complete. We don't really need to change anything here. Just be aware that if you change the amount of memory in this machine at some point, do come in here and change the JVM memory as well, otherwise you won't get that much benefit from the changes that you've done. If we just go to home, the next thing we need to do is to patch this up to the latest version. So just click on online update. You can patch from a local SMT server. Most probably in this instance you're going to be going against the Micro Focus Customer Center. So all you need to do is type in your email address and then put in your activation key. This you'll have got with your evaluation or from the Customer Center portal with your software entitlement. I'm going to blur that out afterwards so you can see my one, and then just click on register. This may take a minute or so, so I'll fast forward this in the video. So you can see the patches here that we need to apply. You don't need to worry about applying them in the right order. If we just apply them, the system will take care of that. So in this instance I'm just going to click on update now and click OK. Again, this may take maybe 5 minutes to complete, so I'll fast forward this in the video. And there we are, the patches have been applied. We can just check if we wanted by changing that to installed patches, and that should just show us the two patches that we've just installed. So now we just need to reboot. Depending on type of patches applied, quite often you'll need to do a reboot, so we can just click that. Something else just to bear in mind is if you come in here in the future, you'll see a big red exclamation mark next to that icon indicating that there are actually some patches that needed to be applied. So in this instance I'll just do a reboot and that will restart this server, and that's it. So thank you for listening.